Welcome to Spyder Auto LED tail light installation guide for the 2011 to 2014 Ford Focus. Here are tools needed to prepare for the installation: panel popper or flathead screwdriver. Check out how the Spyder LED tail light changes the look of your vehicle. Open the tailgate and let's begin. Remove tail light access panel cover. Remove 2 tail light assembly nuts. Unseat factory tail light. Disconnect factory tail light harness. Locate Spyder LED tail light. Transfer factory reverse light bulb to Spyder reverse light socket. Reinstall Spyder reverse light socket in place. Connect Spyder tail light harness. Set Spyder LED tail light assembly in place. Reinstall 2 tail light assembly nuts in place, securing the Spyder LED tail light. Reinstall tail light access panel cover. Close the tailgate and the installation completed. Congratulations, you have just installed your Spyder Auto LED tail light for the 2011 to 2014 Ford Focus. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions before take your vehicle back on the road. Thank you for choosing Spyder Auto installation video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.